My name's Mark Williamson, and I'm the founder and lead partner of the Williamson Law Firm. I was fortunate enough to be accepted to the University of Texas School of Law, where I graduated in 1985. The best part about practicing law is taking somebody when they walk in the door and they are scared to death that their world is going to end. They're going to be homeless. Their kids are going to be taken away. They're never going to see them. To take that person with that level of fear and anxiety, and within an hour to convince them that they're going to be okay, everything's going to work out, let us worry about it for you. And then 3, 4, 5, 6 months later, when we achieve the results and goals that they set out with, to have that same client grab you by the neck and hug you and say, thank you, thank you, thank you, you're the best, and to be able to tell them, no, you had good facts, you were a good witness. That is the most rewarding thing. One of our basic philosophies is this: take the high road, be nice, exchange information freely, as long as the other side is doing the same thing. Usually that works. But now the first time the other side stops doing that, we need to motivate them to get back to being nice. And that's what we can do. We're not the lawyers to hire if you want to go in for a pound of flesh. If that's where you're starting, don't call me. If, however, the other side deserves to have a pound of flesh taken because of what they're doing, we'll go take it and we'll make them pay dearly. When you hire a lawyer to represent you in a family law matter, it's really hard to establish and tell the client up front, this is how much it's going to cost you. Now, you would think after 30 years, a lawyer ought to know exactly what that's going to cost. Here's the problem with that. We have no control over what the other lawyer may or may not do in the case. So what we want to do is find out what the goals are for the client, figure out a way to get there as fast as we can for the least amount of money, motivate the other side to get on the same page with us, and avoid running up attorney's fees. The reason I fight so hard for my clients and I become so personally invested and reach into their goals, that's pretty simple. I'm 5'9", I'm never going to play in the NFL, and the courthouse, that's my football field. That's where I run for 1,000 yards a year. That's where I score the touchdowns. That's where I battle. That's where I can win.